guys, today we're going to be reading again, always, every time, Dogman, 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea. Okay, let's go. And remember, for those of you who haven't seen the book, leave the video and then go ahead and buy the book and then read it and then you understand. And then for those of you who have seen the book, you already know what the pages are like. So let's just get into chapter 10. Pie Fi. Oh, splat. Pie Fi time. Alright. If we're going to throw pies at people, we have to do it right. So there'll be no giggling, no tomfoolery, and most importantly, no singing. And a one, and a two, and a no. What can it be? Oh, huh? Oh, okay. Friendly friends, flying through the cloud. We made up a second verse, and we'll sing it super loud. Friendly friends, cozy clean. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a flying submarine, dashing through the sky of the submarine that flies. He's dropping pumpkin pie on random guys, making people mad is the opposite of bad. Hi. So we'll follow fear. So be so proud. You guys are making me sorry. Oh boy. That means we're making Piggy happy. Yeah. Let's sing it 153 more times. No! Friendly friends. Hello? What are you all doing? Nothing. Well, the whole world needs your help, so let's go. No thanks. Nobody wants to help us. Why should we help them? What's going on here? Well, everybody hates my papa. Yeah, they'll probably hate us too. If we ever make a mistake, we're not going to make any more chance. Oh, I see. So, if somebody gives you a hard time, you just quit! Is that right? Is that the way you feel it here, X? No. Oh no! This is gonna be like the chapter 1 where Pete goes like, it's too hard. So let's just give up. What the fuck? Oh, people can't be mean. So let's just give up. Because we're a bunch of little baby quitters. You're sorry, Sarah. You're darn right you're sorry. Now get up off of those butts and let's go save the world. And so, you're the smartest person ever. I know. Hey! I did the same thing a few chapters ago. Yeah. But it sounded better when she said it. Why did Sarah go like that P when he's like, it's too high. So let's just give a, why does Sarah be like P? Oh well, as I was saying, chapter 11 will come tomorrow. We're almost to the end of the book soon. Alright, pretty soon. Well, bye. It's too hard. So let's just give up.